So I'm going to be cutting some high grass with my speed feed enabled 24 volt Kobalt. My arsenal is two 5 amp hour batteries, two 4 amp hour batteries, and lined is 18 foot of freshly installed Titanium X-Pro 105. And this is what the grass looks like, and it's a little wet. I've never cut wet grass with a string trimmer before, but we'll see how this goes. Alright, so with one battery, I did all of this. Now the interesting part is, that's still the original line. I have not bumped once. Battery's on one cell, or down to one, yeah, I guess it's one cell. I'll put the second one in, see what's going on. Alright, so I've gone through the second battery. That's still the original line. I have not bumped any. And yes, it is a Kobalt 24 volt. I use the handle forward. I don't really like the way that they have it in the box. But this was very high, just same as the other side. Bunch of tree branches I had to deal with. And the other side. Now I'm not going to be able to finish this whole yard because it's pretty big with the last two batteries, because the other two batteries are 4 amps. But I'm going to work on the outside areas. I got to fix a tire, well, the metal where a wheel attaches on the lawnmower. Otherwise this would have been done like that. Anyhow, I'm very impressed with this Husqvarna Titanium XP Pro 105. I didn't think this was going to be a video about it, but potentially it is. That's some good stuff.